Another perfect morning. Perfect skin, perfect life. Okay, Layla, new day, let's go. Simple breakfast, but it's enough. Good morning, Mrs. Sara. Breakfast is ready. Just coffee today, I'm not hungry. Gold today. Gold always wins. Simple is good. I look fine. 3 more minutes. That's okay.
Would you like to sit down?
Please give it to her. She needs it more.
Oh, thank you.
Traffic is light today.
Good. I have a meeting at 9.
Miss Sara, your 9 o'clock is confirmed.
Good. And cancel my lunch. I'll eat at my desk. Good morning. Is Mr. Hassan in yet? He is. Just went up. Did you bring lunch today, Layla? Yes, egg sandwich. Want half? Yes, please. Warm.
My girls are coming this Sunday.
Sara, my darling, don't forget Sunday dinner. Of course, Mama. I won't forget. Layla, my heart, Sunday dinner, you're coming? Mama, wild horses can't stop me. Another good day. So why does it feel empty? Same time tomorrow, Layla? Same time. Same egg sandwich too.
These tomatoes are fresh today, miss.
Perfect. I'll take 5, please. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, enjoy. Is there anything I can help you find, ma'am?
No, just this. Thank you. You can go for tonight. Not bad, Layla. Not bad at all.
Layla, Mama. They're coming today. Be beautiful for them.
Mama loves yellow flowers. Just be yourself today, Sara.
A little more salt. Perfect.
Where are you going so happy today, Layla?
To see my mama! Best day of the week!
Ready, Miss Sara?
Not today. I'll walk. Thank you. Has it always been this alive?
First time on this bus, dear?
Is it that obvious?
Those are pretty.
Thank you, sweetheart. So is your smile. Mama's kitchen. There's nothing like it.
My Layla, my sweet girl.
I missed you, Mama.
Yellow flowers, you remembered.
I always remember, Mama. We drew this together.
Sara, my firstborn, come here.
Hi, Mama.
You're home now. That's all that matters.
Hello, Layla. Hello, Sara. You look good. She started cooking yesterday, you know. She always did that for us.
Layla, stir the soup. Don't let it stick. Sara, cut the bread. And please take off those heels in my kitchen.
Why is it so difficult? It's bread, Sara, not a business deal.
Thank you. My family is together. Sit, both of you, sit and eat. Here you go, dear.
I forgot how good this is. I make it the same way.
Every time.
I can't believe we're all here. It's been too long.
Eat, eat. Why am I the only one not talking?
Because you're too busy smiling, Mama.
So, tell me everything. Sara, how is work?
Busy, always busy.
But are you happy, my love?
I don't know, Mama. Layla, your life. Is it hard? Sometimes. But it's my life, and I love it. I don't know. You seem lighter than me. Maybe it's because I don't carry so much, Sara.
Look at you two. You used to share everything.
We were so little. Remember this? You pushed me into the mud. I did not. You fell. We're here now. That's what matters. Yes, we are. You know, I have a garden designer, but no garden. Only you, Sara. Layla, can we do this more often, not just Mama's dinners? What do you mean? I mean you and me, coffee, a walk, something. I'd like that. I'd really like that.
Same for both. I always do same for both.
You've done that since we were kids.
Of course. Come back soon, both of you, together. I love you both.
We love you, Mama. The 14 goes past the park. Best view in the morning. You should try it sometime. Maybe I will. Same time next Sunday? Same time. And maybe, can I call you this week? Okay, time to start changing.
Good. My girls are going to be okay.